In the never-ending quest to improve on my little micro lathe, I've added a few items. Number one, I added a DC motor. This motor was intended for, I guess, electric scooters, lawnmowers, weed trimmers, things like that. I had to pick up a little pulley for it, which was easy. It's got a 8mm shaft on it. The original bearings that I had used, one of the bearings went bad. I hope that's not a common thing, but I've got a backup plan just in case. A couple of pillow block bearings that I can use, but we'll see. Added a bearing in the back over here so that it was a little more rigid and hopefully wouldn't ruin the bearings. Got the tailstock done and put in. Real simple tailstock. Just a flame hardened point on it. I also picked up a small drill chuck that can go on this. You can simply close and open the jaws. It's like a Dremel chuck. Pretty simple. Had to make an adapter, 3/8 to 1/4 inch, and pin it. And I need to get a little longer bolt because I'm not going to have much room here. But eventually I'll pick up a bolt long enough and add some thread to it. And got a 24-volt power supply with a pulse width modulated speed control, which is doing an excellent job. So let's see it in action, shall we? And it gives a nice, smooth finish. Using a bullnose, high-speed steel cutter. So, may make some improvements down the road, but for now, she's working pretty good. That's all, folks. You have yourself a good day.